is me, James. I have to do it by myself right now because they're taking a nap. And if you guys want another video like this, I'm trying to make this like that. And like, if you want another video of me doing it, hit that subscribe challenge. Well, we'll do the subscribe challenge and we need 1 million subscribers. No, 1,000 subscribers to let me do it again. So, let's do the 3-second subscribe challenge. 3, 2, 1. Have you guys subscribed yet? So, here we go. Oh, that was close. Oh. And if you don't know who's holding the camera, it's my dad.
It's me.
Yeah, he's the cameraman.
Do it, James.
Got this. Make it on YouTube. Actually, I made one yesterday. But it was not good quality. So I need to make one for you guys. This is hard. When I cap it, I'll just set it there. Wow, this is hard. There's like no...
And now you got to flip it on the bottom. Flip it on the bottom.
I'll just, when it falls down, I'll just put it back up. And if you guys give us 1,000 subscribers, I'll just cap it and then bottle flip it. And that's amazing. Teach me to cap it then I'll flip, but it's hard. It only took me 11 hours to make my first one. I don't even know the way how to make this. And I'll just check if it's there. No. This is hard. Just let it stay right here. Try and make it. It keeps getting so close, and by the way, we're looking at Lucky Dog on the TV. We turned it down.
Oh, yes, Lucky Dog. Look at that. Give a shout out to Lucky James. Ha ha. What do you think, James? You did it.
No.
All
Let
right.
me see if I can do 2 in a row. If I do, that's my way.
Lucky Dog. You gave the shout out to Lucky Dog and
Yeah.
you did it.
And
That's our favorite show.
our other favorite show for me is Family Fun Pack.
Yeah, Family Fun Pack.
Oh, well, I can make.
Oh!
I'll make 2 for you guys now. Because you know that video didn't take long for me to make that. By the way, the other video that I was doing, I didn't have a shirt on, so I just put a shirt on this one because it's my favorite shirt. I have 2 favorite shirts. Oh! Lucky Dog jumpers. Yeah, that's fun. Those lucky dogs get to have a second chance to get their new home if you guys haven't watched it. It's a cool one, but I don't really watch it, but watch my iPad a lot. That's amazing and all that stuff. And Colin, amazing. I don't really watch watch Matchup because I don't always see it on YouTube Kids.
Oh, it failed.
Don't because they're crying, honestly. Just easy winners. You have to win this. And we might do a video of flipping it on the boat while it's going. I'll just make a video level 1 to level 50. This is going to be hard if I do it. I might flip it in the cup holder. I might do it while the boat's moving. That's level 50. While the boat's moving, that's level 50. This video, like, Daddy, if we like just stopped it when I just made it, it would be like 23 seconds or something. Because that was easy. I don't even know how. My record is 7 minutes. Wait, what if I capped it? That'd be hard, Daddy.
Yes. Whoa, it will do it.
So it's hard. There's a little bit of water in this, so I just stopped doing it. Give you guys shout out to which where the Davises. Yeah. I like to watch the slime videos because I love slime, but I've never had it before. I just watch it on YouTube and love it. This is actually hard now. You have to do it. Lucky Dog Ranch, that's what it's called. That's what we love. And Lucky Dog brings it to the doctor. The dog to the doctor. In some videos, there's a broken leg. In some videos, there's a dog with no arm and no eye. One of those videos just happened. It happened like 2 weeks ago. That would be cool. I'll just let you guys see me do a slide. I've never done this before. Well, I have. Well, I did do this slide before, but I can't do it. I have to figure out how to do that. Wow, it's hard. Might need to go to the bathroom before we even stop. And by the way, if you guys see that little hole in my mouth, also too, and I got $5. So, I just won. If I make this right now, like, I don't even know if I make this. I'll leave it in half. I've only done it 6 times, but not 2 snowball, I will show you guys the closed eyes cat flip. And you guys have seen me do this. Ow! It's hard. And if you guys saw me on YouTube, you would see me do my cat. First try, I was like, which table? I was like over here. We moved the red chair from here. Wait, was it over here, Dad? Red chair?
I think so.
That would be a cool shot. Let me try. This is cool.
You've been doing this for almost 20 minutes.
Well, it's actually good because I already made it. No!
Why?
By the way, we're looking at ranch, and if you see, we're still looking at it, and Daddy turned it down.
Oh, how did it do that?
Give this video a subscribe. By the way, we're looking at Lucky Dog Ranch, and Daddy turned it down. So I don't even know how to hear it. I do know that somebody that's so pleasant. Little donkey. What are you trying to do? So that's where you bottle flip. So. It's very hard. I know that. Try to do it high. Try to do it high and ball flip. Okay, great. You can make it so great.
Oh, it bent the bottom of it.
Did you fix it?
Yeah.
Great. No way, I just did it, you guys. I just did it. I did it. I just did it. No way. If you like that, like this video, subscribe and like.